Ivy Newsday went out to downtown Main Street in El Centro to check out all the activities and the people enjoying this year's Oktoberfest.
Well, you know, we put on the Oktoberfest and the battle bands, and our purpose in the entire business improvement district is to bring people down to the downtown. So we put on events like this. They're fun for families and for people to come down. Hopefully they'll see the merchants down here and come back and do some shopping later on this week. Well, you know, it's just getting going. The weather's starting to cool down. I think we anticipate a big crowd. We've got several bands coming in tonight to play. Bratwurst, kettle corn, you know, it's usually a good time for everybody to come out.
You know, I think events like this draw a lot of attraction, a lot of tourists coming from out of town. I personally came from La Quinta just to come here, so we need more events like this in downtown, in any downtown really, just to highlight some of the businesses. People have fun, we have some great music, so this is what we need. We need more events out here.
I think it's wonderful weather and great to be out with wonderful friends and to have people downtown having a great time.
I'm having a farfignugan good time. As soon as I find the beer garden.
Lovely. It's lovely downtown.
Yes, so we're having a great time. It's great to be downtown, especially the beer garden. The beer garden. Going to the beer garden.